How to fix black screen of death on Windows. 1. Repair your Windows. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health2. Check then fix software incompatibility issues via compatibility troubleshooter. 3. Fix potential driver problems using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Fix overheating issues, undo any overlocking configurations. 5. Run the built-in blue screen troubleshooter. 6. Additional troubleshooting methods include: listen for any beeps, disconnect all your peripherals, remove recently installed programs using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, disable fast startup. From the control panel, remove your laptop battery, disable your antivirus software, check event viewer.